In this video, we're going to look at applications involving shapes. In Table 1, they give us two-dimensional shapes, the perimeter and the area for each of the shapes. And we're going to use these formulas in the problems to come. So in 1, it says, find B2 if the area of the trapezoid is 136 inches squared, H is equal to 16 inches, and B1 is equal to 7 inches. They want us to sketch and label a trapezoid with the known information and state the appropriate formula. So here we have a trapezoid, and we know that the total area is 136 inches squared, and the height is 16. So we have, get us a trapezoid. And we know that this height is 16. And we know that B1 is equal to 7. And we're looking for B2. And our formula is area is equal to H over 2 times B1 plus B2. And now it says substitute the given information into the formula. So we know the area is equal to 136 inches squared. We know that the height is 16. So we have 16 divided by 2 times B1 we know is 7 plus B2 is our unknown. And now they want us to solve for the variable. 16 divided by 2 is 8, so I have 136 is equal to 8 times 7 plus B2. And now I'm going to distribute my 8 through the parentheses, so I have 136 is equal to 8 times 7 is 56, and 8 times B2 is 8B2. And now we're going to subtract 56 from both sides, and I get 80 is equal to 8B2. And now we're going to divide both sides by 8, and we get B2 is equal to 10. And now it wants us to state the answer. And we can say that the length of B2 is 10 inches. In 2, it says, a triangular garden has a perimeter of 31 inches. The longest side is 1 inch less than twice the shortest side, and the third side is 4 inches longer than the shortest side. Find the lengths of the sides. So the first set of directions says sketch and label a triangle with known information, choosing the variable to represent the unknown. So our unknown is the shortest side, so we're going to label that X. And the longest side is going to be the hypotenuse, and they say that it's 1 inch less than twice the shortest side. So if we have 2x minus 1, that would represent 1 inch less than twice the shortest side. And then our last side, they tell us, is 4 inches longer than the shortest side, so x plus 4. And our x variable represents the length of the shortest side. And now they want us to state the relationship between the sides and the perimeter. And the sum of the lengths is equal to the perimeter. And now it wants us to write the equation and solve. So we had the given information that the perimeter was equal to 31 inches. So if we add all three of our lengths and set it equal to 31, we can solve for x. So we have x plus 4 plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 31. And now I'm going to combine all my like terms on the left side, and I have x plus x plus 2x is 4x, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, is equal to 31. And now I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and I get 4x is equal to 28. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I get x is equal to 7. And now they want us to double check. So if we were to put 7 back into our original equation, or the very first line that we solved, we'd have x, which is 7, plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 times 7 is 14 minus 1 is equal to, and this should equal 31. So we have 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 14 is 28, plus 4 is 32, minus 1 is 31. So it checks out. And now they want us to find the lengths of the remaining sides. So x represented our shortest side. Another side was represented by x plus 4, which is equal to 7 plus 4, or 11. And the last side was represented by 2x minus 1, which is equal to 2 times 7 minus 1, which is equal to 2 times 7 is 14, minus 1 is 13. So now it wants us to state the answer. So we could say that the lengths of the sides of the triangle are 7 inches, 11 inches, and 13 inches. In 3, it says, one base of a trapezoid is 1 foot shorter than the other base. Find the lengths of the bases if the trapezoid is 4 feet high and has an area of 10 feet squared. First thing it wants us to do is sketch and label a trapezoid with the known information, choosing a variable to represent the unknown. So we have a trapezoid, and we know the height is equal to 4. And they told us that one base of the trapezoid is 1 foot shorter than the other base. So if the bottom length is B2, then the upper base would be B1, which is equal to B2 minus 1. And we could say that B2 is equal to the length of the longer base and now they want us to state the appropriate formula, and we're going to use A is equal to h over 2 times B1 plus B2. And now we want to substitute the given information. So we know that the area is equal to 10 feet squared. And the height is equal to 4. So we have 4 divided by 2 times B1 plus B2. And B1 is B2 minus 1. And then we have plus B2. And now we want to solve. So we have 10 is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2 times B2 plus B2 is 2B2, and we have minus 1. And we can divide both sides by 2, so we get 5 is equal to 2B2 minus 1. And now add 1 to both sides, and I get 6 is equal to 2B2. And then when we divide both sides by 2, we get B2 is equal to 3. And now we want to find the length of the other base. And B1 is equal to B2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 1, or 2. And now we want to state our answer. And we can say that the length of the bases are 2 feet and 3 feet. And that's all for this video on applications involving shapes.